students of the Nigerian College of Modern Technology and IT once you are there. Of course, today in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to code a mobile service code. In Sierra Leone, we have one of our mobile company, which is the Qcell, one of the strongest, biggest, and hardworking mobile service provider in our country. So I'm going to show you how to code a particular service that they have. So, like for example, when you dial this, this is the service for Qcell. You dial *303 hash, and then if you press this, the dial button, so you are seeing this code running. So this kind of service will pop up. So this is exactly what we are going to learn how to code such things. Okay, I'm going to tell you, for example, if I press 1, it says for buy bundle. You see this exactly. So on and so forth. So I'm going to tell you how to go about to do such things. I'm going to teach you practically how to get such service, and also as a mobile, maybe a mobile app builder, an app developer, or as a programmer to build such application. So I'm going to tell you, we're going to use switch cases, and I want to do some function calls to do such programs. So just stay focused, please. Don't go anywhere. Don't forget to like our videos, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm going to take you through the idea, which is English, to see how we go about implementing short code. Also, we are going to see what we are going to do. Please just follow the tutorial. I'm going to take you through English to see how to apply. Mind you, I'm going to do Qcell service, Qcell Sierra Leone code service. That is the 9 star 30 asterisk. Okay. So the use of service popping down. So this is what we're going to code as a programmer to see how you're going to do such things. So let's just go to the example and see something.
Okay guys, as I told you quickly about the mobile service, which is the Qcell codes that I'll be using to how we as a customers can have access to their services by dialing the star 303 hash, so that we may have a pile of services available. Then we can choose from the option. And the Qcell is one of our leading mobile service provider in our country, Sweden. So I'm going to show you how to code that particular how to go about to have access to that code by you dialing star 303 hash. So first of all, I already have here my project here, which is the Hello World. I'm not going to create another new Java project. This is my SCR, which is my source code. All my source codes are inside here, my package is inside here. If I click now, you see my package here called Hello. Then I'm just going to create a new class, because there is no need for me to create package. It's good. I'm going to name is that Qcell. My class, I'm going to name my class as Qcell. I'm going to click here to generate the public static void main method for me. Okay, so let me maximize this environment for you. So this is exactly what we are going to do. So I'm going to start by importing the scanner class. Okay, I'm going to import scanner, import java dot util dot scanner s scanner. Okay, then I'll terminate this with the semicolon. All right, don't forget, this is our method body here. Here is our method body. This is the opening of this is the open brace, and this is the closing curly brace, and here is our method body. Our method opens here and closes here. All right, and our public class opens here and closes and ends here. It's closed here. So I am going to name my scanner variable. Now I'm going to create a scanner variable. I'm going to say scanner. I love this. Okay, it have to be. I love this variable so much. Scanner message will be equals to new scanner. I'll open my parentheses. I'll now say system dot in. Alright, and then I'll end this statement with a semicolon. Okay, maybe you might be asking why. Because I'm going to need a user's input, right? So by using this kind of class here, I am going to that's why here we say system.in, that is something is going to come in. I'm going to need an input from the user. All right, for example, you must have to choose from an option. That is it. So in that case, system.in, something might be coming inside. I told you in the previous tutorial, system.out, that means we need an output to show a result out on the console. System.in, something might come, something is about to come inside by using the keyboard. All right, so this is the thing that I'm talking about. Now what I think we are going to do now from here, Qcell, when you pop up the start takes you see like this one that was a bundle menu. In the bundle menu you see series of options like buy bundle for others, Q night. You see all this stuff of things. Okay, so what we'll just do like this, system.out.println. I told you in Eclipse is SOUT control and space. All right, SOUT control and then space. Good. And now I'll just say inside in this parentheses, I'm going to pass this argument by saying bundle menu. Okay, that is how it will be like. Good. Bundle menu. All right, and then I am going to concatenate because I don't want to open another system.out.println method, so I'm going to pass all these statements inside. All right, so the first bundle it's going to be this, but let me concatenate this here. I'm going to concatenate it /n, and then the first option, which is 1, will tell you buy bundle. Yes, you are going to buy a bundle. Okay, buy bundle DLE, right? Good. Also going to concatenate it, then /n. The second option Qcell is having is you buy bundle for others. Okay, you are going to buy bundle, then you buy bundle for others. Okay, let's say buy bundle for others. That is for another number that is not yours. Okay guys, the next option, the service available for us as customers that we might want, which is the number 3 option, is Q night. That is available for us. That is Q night. Okay, it is Q night. It's like this, Q night. All right, then I'm going to concatenate this one and then /n. And the fourth option to the service of the Qcell, after the Q talk, after the Q night, we have other options available. So the fourth option is we have sorry, the number 3 option is social media, please. No, Q night, fine. Then we have the Q talk table. All right, which is number 5 option. Q talk table is number 4 according to the *3030. After you have your first option with the buy bundle, then you have buy bundle for others, Q night. Now we have Q talk table. It's like Q talk table. Okay, it is like that, Q talk table. Yes, Q talk table. Then I'm going to concatenate it. The fifth option is like this for you to check your balance. The fifth option is what? Check balance. Check balance. That's what? Check balance. Good. And the sixth option is like this. Concatenate it as well. I want to check briefly what is the other code that they. So when I dial the *303# so the number 6 option. Now let me see, I'm going to check what is the number 6 option. The Qcell Mobile Service. They are one of our service provider in Sierra Leone. Okay, we have exist. Okay, EXIST. Right, we have exist. We have emergency website. We have emergency website. The number 6 option is emergency website. They have emergency website. Emergency website. Okay, which is free. It's free to use it. Alright, and then the next available service for us as customer to use is to exist. We are to quit the program. That's it. Okay, so this is the first set. When you do this now, if I could run this, you'll see all the available service that will pop up for us. Please guys, do not be confused. Why these are all the bunch of statements. When I show you the phone earlier on, while I was on the whiteboard, you see the series of codes, the service available down. So I don't want to like do system.out print out throughout. It will be to make the program become very boring. That it will be system.out print, then I'll write the first one here, which is buy bundle, system.out print the second service available, buy bundle for others. Then I go down again, system.out print Q9 talk. So that is why I concatenated everything by using this backward slash n presenting the next line. As you are seeing them all in the same, and I pass them all as in the parentheses here. Inside these parentheses, I pass them all together. But all of them, if I pull Control plus S to save and Control plus F11 to print out, you see all of the service available. Okay, so let me run this program. You see something good. So this is how it is. When you open without the *303# and the Qcell service, you will see this buy bundle for others, Q9, Qtalk table, check balance, emergency website, and exist. That is what you will see. Good. So we have done with the first phase. Now I'm going to use a switch statement, so that the user may have series of options to select. Right, so I'm now going to say let me first declare a data type and a variable here. MA will be equals to my scanner variable, which is MESSIE Messi dot next int. Alright, good. So whatever value that whatever number that is available to the service that I'm going to select to be stored here. Okay, now let me go straight to the switch statement. I'm going to say switch, then I'm taking this variable here MA, and then I'm going to paste it inside this parenthesis of the switch, and then I'm going to open a brace. As I enter, it will automatically close. Good. I'm going to say case 1, and then case 1, then I'm going to pass on statement also as well. So the shortcut is SOUT control and space for you to be able to have the system.out.println method. Now I'm going to pass in case the individual go in for one, which is buy bundle. You see in the Qcell service, you see another opportunities that are being attached under buy bundle. The type of bundle that you want. Maybe you want 500 units bundle, or maybe you want 1,500 units bundle, or you want 2,000 units bundle. So that is it now. So in case I press 1, that is for buy bundle. Under buy bundle, we have these other opportunities available. The first option there, we have one is we have Talk Boku Boku, which is we have Talk Boku browse Langa. Okay, that's it. We have Talk Boku is BOQ, Talk Boku browse Langa. That is their service. Okay, I'm going to concatenate it because I don't want to do print ln method throughout. So I'm going to put all of this bunch of statements into this parenthesis, but it should be showing on next line at the bottom of each. Okay, and the second option is what? Data bundle. You see that they have data bundle. They have data bundle. Then I want to concatenate it, and they have number 3 option, which is the social media bundle. Okay, social media bundle. All right, good. The social media bundle that has it cost already attached to it, which is 1,000 for 24 hours. 1,000 deals for 1,000 deals 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours. All right, that is it. Now, and this option also, I'm going to create another data type. I'm going to declare another variable also, so that if I select one, there will be a storage location for the one that I was selecting. If I select 2, there will be a storage location for it. So I'm going to say again int, since I'm using numbers, int. Then this time I'm going to say m as a variable equals what? My scanner variable, which is Messi dot next int. Right, next int. So I also create a storage location here by declaring this variable m. All right, and then I'm also going to open another switch statement, but mind you, this is my main switch here. All right, this is a brace open here, this one close here. So I'm going to open another switch statement because this is another. When you come under case 1 also have its own other opportunities of facilities available for us to take. Okay, as a customer who select also for me. So since I need to So I'm going to, the reason why I'm going to do this to create another switch is that here there's a lot of options also available. So I'm going to create a switch that I have another cases available, so that the user may be able to tune to select from these particular options and then make choice. By if I press one, which is buy bundle, under buy bundle, maybe it's a talk boku browse nanga, I want all data bundle social media, I have to select by. So here I'm going to do other cases. So switch on the parentheses, then I pass in the variable which is m, and then open a brace, then I'll close. So if I take one also, it's going to be like the talk boku. Under the talk boku also browse nanga, it has other series of options that you select from it. So I'm going to say case 1 also. Under this case 1, I'm going to also say system.out.print control space. It has its own options, that is it has its own price tag to it. Okay, we have one is saying talk boku at the price of what, 500 units. 500 units is there. Okay, is there talk boku 500 units at 24 hours. So this 24 hours. All right, then I'm going to concatenate it. It has another option also. Let's say /n 2 is saying talk boku. So I'm going to copy this. Talk boku, the price here is not the same. So what is the price here in this case? This one is the second option is 1,500 24 hours. So add 1,000 here, 500. The third option under the talk boku, we also have the third option. So the third option also /n the third option is going to be like this. Also talk boku, we have another third option which is 2,500. 2,500 also now here is for 3 days, not hour again, but for 3 days. Okay, then we have fourth options. We have the fourth option available on the talk boku. So you see how it goes. We have this one also here. I'm going to concatenate this one and the fourth option, which is this guy, this one here. Okay, good. The fourth option is talk boku at 5,000. Paste 5,000 euros, which is for 7 days. Right, and then I'm going to copy this, concatenate this one to go for the the fifth option, sorry. The fifth option here is they have Tokboku for 15,000, which is for 15 days. Okay. Tokboku, which is for 15,000. All right. And add 10, and it is for 15 days. 15 days. All right. Then we have the number 7 option, which is Tokboku 20,000 for 1 month. Plus 10 plus 7. Oh no. So this is it. All right. Number 7 is this. I have 5,000 20,000 in Tokboku, 20,000 for 30 days. This is what they have. 20,000 euros for 30 days here. They have this for like 30 days. 30 days. Good. This is what they have. So this is all what it is under the Tokboku. They have 7 options available for Tokboku. So you may select from these 7 options available, and then you may decide which of these bundle you want. If you want the $500 own, or the 1,500 dirhams, the 2,500 dirhams, that's it. You may now pick your choice. So I'm going to do this also. Under this one again, I am going to create another switch case again. I'm going to create another switch statement so that you see how it goes. But before that, I'm going to create a storage location, maybe, so that if I select one, that one will be stored somewhere. So I select 2, the 2 will be stored somewhere. So I'm going to create a storage location. That is, I'm going to declare a variable also as well, because I'm definitely going to need another switch statement here, and followed by a series of cases. Hope you understand it. So I'm going to say int. I'll just call mind you, the last I told you about variable in the previous tutorial, that variable are placeholders in memory. Okay, they are any object. You can name your variable of any type. All right, please, you can name your variable of what? Any type. Maybe here under this switch statement here, I want here I have already chosen this one which is the Tokboku. Under the Tokboku, now I need another variable. Okay, this variable here now will be able to store whatever option that I select there. I hope you're understanding me. So you just need to be focused on what you will be doing. Okay, so here I'm just going to take case 1, Tokboku plus Langa. Okay, hope you're understanding me. So I'm just going to take in the M, and then there will be a message. If you press 1, this is what you will got. If you press 2, this is what you will got. Hope you're understanding what I'm saying. So let me try this. Int M A equals SSIE message dot the next int. These guys, do not forget to subscribe to our videos. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Alright, So I'm going to also have series of cases, case 1, case 2, so on and so forth. Guys, I hope you're understanding me. Because whatever I'll be doing here we store here. Okay, whatever I'll be doing here, sorry, whatever option I'm going to select from these services here. Number 1, we talk boku. If it's 500 units that I want, according to the money, the credit, and according to the amount of unit that will be available, will be stored here. Hope you understanding, guys. Okay. But now if I select one again, so I'm going to say here case 1, no switch. I need another switch. Switch. Open the power tenses and I pass in that variable which is mi, and I'm going to open a curly brace, and then I enter automatically. It will close for me. Good. If I select 1, that is what I want. There must be a message that will come to me to tell me that you are successfully buy at this price, valid for these hours. SOUT. No, case 1, sorry please, I'm feeling sleeping. Case 1, enter. Alright, SOUT, control space. There will be a message that will come to you if I select 1, that will tell me that you have successfully we buy what to be the, let me check the statement. They buy 500, that is how it is, 500 data bundle at valid at 24 hours. That is how it has to be. So that is for the first option, case 1. Okay, then you break. So enter, then I'm going to break here. Okay, I'm going to say case 2. So I'm going to copy this, C, Ctrl plus C, I'm going to come down here to paste, and then here now you have successfully buy. The second option is what? Buy, what is the price here? 1,500. Okay, 1,500 bundle, that is valid at 24 hours. Okay, all right, then also I'll break here. I'm going to break here, I'm going to enter, I'm going to say case 3, here, enter, Ctrl V. Here now the price also have to change. The price here is what? 2,500, and the validity will change to what? 3 days. 3 days. Alright, and then I'm going to break also. I'm going to break here. I'm going to say case 4. Case 4. I'm going to say V. here it is 5,000 now. The validity is 7 days. 7 days. Okay, then I'm going to say case 5 is 10,000. Okay, let me see here. Option 5 is 15,000. Oh, we omitted 10,000. There is 10,000 also for 7 days, so we omitted something, so I'm going to add 10. We have 10. They have 10,000 available under the top boku, which is a 5 option that is valid for 7 days. Okay, so I'm going to add it here. 5 is 10,000 here. 10,000 that is valid for 7 days. And then here 5, I'm going to add 6. Okay, good. Add plus this guy right here, and then this guy will be here, and then I'm going to put 6. 6 is going to be here. Oh, got some errors here. Wait. I've jumped one particular option here. Okay, it's going to be like top boku, the 15,000, which is the 6th option, 7 days, and then 7 is here. So here we have to say here is 6. Okay, and 6 is 15,000. So take 10 out, and then it is for 15 days. And then the 7th option is it's days for 20 days. Talk boku. Then we have Tokboku prices 20,000 yuns. 20,000 yuns, and then validity is 30 days. Okay, so case 5 here, I'll come down to case 5. Case 5, I'm going to paste. Now it's 10,000 yuns. 10,000 valid at 7 days. And then case 6, is 15,000. 10 at 15 days. At 15 days. Oh, I won't be breaking. Let me break here. I break here. And also I'm going to put another break here. Another break here. Alright. also going to put another break here. And the last case is 7, which is 20,000 for 30 days. 20,000 for 30 days. Okay guys, this is what I was talking about quickly. So let me just do one more case, one option, which is the number 2, that is there you want to buy for another individual. Let me just do that quickly. I don't want to make the code very long, that you might have your own quiet time to practice this thing on your own for yourself. Okay, so let me just try this one, but first let me have a break here. Also, I'm going to put a break here. So case 2, that is the next option. That you ask the individual to enter the telephone number. That is if you want to press, if you're not buying for yourself, you're buying for the individual. SOUT, and then this is the second option here. If you're not buying for yourself, you're buying for, and if you're down, you tell the person to, like, please enter the phone number. Okay, all right. Here also I'm going to create another storage location. When the person might enter a number, I'm going to create another, I'm going to declare another variable. It's mo which will be equals my scanner variable dot next int as well. All right, I'm going to create what I'm going to create here also is a switch, because there are going to be series of options available here. I open my parentheses, I pass this variable mo, I open a brace, then I close it. System.out.print, wow, SOUT, they want to pop up. All right, SOUT SYS. The shortcut method doesn't want to apply this time around here. All right, so let me copy this. Copy this one here to plus C to save time. Then inside here, the option also that are available here, I'm going to type them in. So it's the same option here that you select for the individual. The first one here. Let me just take this one. Copy this. Copy this. Okay guys, hope you are enjoying the lesson. Okay, I'm going to put a case here. For example, like maybe the person will select an option for you. Please enter the phone number. Then you select. For now I don't need a case here. Okay, I don't need a case here. I don't need a switch statement there, sorry. So if I want to proceed here now, then I will bring in my, if I want to proceed, I will bring in a switch here now, but I don't want it now. Okay guys, let me just stop here quickly, because this is a very long code and it will take a very long time, so I don't want to bother you much. I just want to show you how it happens. This is how it happens. I know by this time now, as you are following this particular lesson, you might be able to do this on your own, to do the rest of the coding for yourself to call the mobile service by using the scanner class and then using the switch statement to do so. Okay, so now I'm going to run this program. Control plus S to save, and let me run this one quickly. Run it quickly and see. You see, this is the first option that will come with that *303 hash. You see bundle menu. So let me say here that I want one to buy bundle. You see under this one to buy bundle, you have talk boku browse langa, I have data bundle, I have social media bundle, which is 1000. So the only code I have done here for this process, I have done all the necessary code that is available for talk boku browse langa. If I press 1 here, the talk boku browser, you see this option 1 2 3 5. Yes, I have jumped something here. So you see we have talk boku browse langa at 24 hours, talk boku 1500. Okay, this is the number 4 option, and then talk boku, yes, something. We have 4 options here. Okay, the 5th option, talk boku, which is 1000 news, talk boku which is 1500 days, and talk boku which is, this is 15,000 for 15 days, and talk boku which is 20,000 for 30 days. All right, there's an error somewhere. Let me quickly go and correct this error, which is here. We have here, we don't have n. I think that is a problem why we have that one there, which is the 4th option. This is the second option, which is the second option, right? The second option, and then we have 3rd here, and then 4th is here. We don't need to have 3 4 5. All right, good. I hope this one is solved out. 5 6 7. Okay, I'm going to save, run this program. We have this, so I'm going to select one to buy bundle, talk boku browse longer. I already done the code, which is 1 again. We have this guy up here. Okay, all right, so this guy needs to be down here. So it's because we did not use the backward slash, and then we use the forward slash. That is why you are seeing it open. So it have to be this guy. So let's run bundle menu. So I'm going to buy bundle. Press 1, you enter talk boku is what I want, browse longer. Press 1, enter. We have this option 1, talk boku which is 500 units, 2, talk boku which is 1500 for 24 hours, and so forth, so on to the 7th option. Let's say I want number 2. I want 2. You have successfully buy 1500 data bundle, valid at 24 hours. This is why we have this. Please enter the phone number. It is because we didn't have a break here. We have to put a break here where our statement have to end. Let's have a break here. So it will not disturb us. Okay, so let's run it again. Press 1 to buy bundle. Press 1 for talk boku. I'm going to press 1. You see that because I put a break there, that other option will not show again. So you have successfully buy data bundle valid at 24 hours. You can do this for the same. Now I'm going to press 7 for the 7th option. Let's say run again. I'm going to press 1. Press 1 for talk boku browse longer, and then I'm going to press now 7. Let us see. You are successfully buy 20,000 data bundle valid at 30 days. So hope guys I thank you guys for following us. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to like our videos. I know you have understand what I was saying. This service code is a lot as a very long coding process, so I have just shown you the process how you go about it, so you can try the rest on your own, but this is how it goes. This is really how it goes. This is how you go about to apply it. So thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and then do not forget to like our videos. I am Ibrahim Safar, a student of the Canadian College of Technology, a fourth year student. Thank you very much, and we'll be coming back quickly.